Yan, ilulubot ko kayo. I show you to talk around the beautiful place here. You can see like a forest water. Generator for the pumping for the water to coming to the pool. You can see. A, B, C, D, E, F. Very near in the boundary. Kambitala, Gandos. Yan.
Nagsisilito nyo kay si Sharon. Mayroon na po siya.
Yan, nagpe-prepare na po sila for lunch.
Huwag mong kuha ng picture
Hindi nga nakabit-bit ka, bossing.
Ayan. Only this for children and this for adult swimming pool. You can see the beautiful place here. ABE. Also in the here in the pumpkins. Palm. Yeah, you can see. ABF. Also there eggplant and pumpkins. Ginisang kalabasas. Mix it eggplant like that. Eh. Okay, you can see the venue.
Yung nag-ano ng pusa dyan. Ayun yung pusa.
Abang siningning.
Napahinga ko ng pusa. Hingin ko na lang yan. This is the venue.
Ayan, nagpre-prepare yung mga...
He's owner of this ABF. Okay.
Tatay lang na may owner.
Okay.
Hello. Tatay na may owner. Katiwala nun pa.
Yeah. You see the beautiful reception. It's a simple celebration.
Makakain na daw? Ay, hindi. Bisita pa kayo?
Ay, nako, bisita rin.
Bumbara po.
Also, there's the comfort room.
Nagutom na ako. Mamaya ako kakain na.
Shower room.
Shower room.
And say, ito naman po ang ihawan, grilling. If you want to grills. Yan, this is Saraisa. Philippine cherry.
Teresa.
Saraisa.
Teresa.
Okay. Also, there's a parking lot. If you want to stay here then overnight, you can see in the room. Electric fan, very nice here. Good climate here. See, thinking like the forest. Also, this fruit is mulberry. It's a beautiful gabi-gabihan night plant.
Yung sa taas ng dagdagan natin. Oh, last na yan. Oh, matapos. Ay, lindong.
Bawal na po ganyan.
Dito, silito ko. Hindi ka pa naman pinta na ko.